If you know, you know.
Take you to the science behind it. Do you know the law behind your walking? It's Newton's third law: to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. When you put your foot on the ground, you are applying force to it. In doing so, the ground actually applies an equal force onto your foot in opposite direction, pushing you forward. This force is frictional force. Frictional force refers to the force generated by two surfaces that contacts and slide against each other. The plastic glass is at rest due to opposite frictional force larger than driving force. When we put some hexane, its surface becomes smooth and frictional force becomes less, and glass starts moving. Since hexane is volatile substance, it disappears into its vapor, leaving no clue behind.